Welcome to video 5.2f, yet another proof of parallel lines. So here's the drawing. I'll mark it up as we go. So given that AB is congruent to AC and CB bisects angle ACD. So I will be able to get this angle congruent to that angle. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, simple diagram, although it might require a little bit of thought here. All right, so what I want to do is extend those parallel lines again. It just helps me. And then as far as transversals, there's really only that one transversal. Okay, so your brain works better when the lines that are parallel are horizontal. When they're at an angle or vertical, it just messes up your brain a little bit, but just get used to it. All right, so let's see where I'm going with this. Start thinking right away. If sides, then angles. So I will be able to get this angle here congruent to this angle over here. Boom, done. This angle is congruent to this angle, so I will be able to get these two angles congruent, and they're on the alternate interior. Again, on a line and a transversal, on a line and a transversal, that Z shape. So this proof is done. All right, all I gotta do now is write it up. So here I go. We'll just start with this. AB is so congruent to AC, given. From that, I got these angles right here. Angle ABC is congruent to angle ACB if sides, then angles. Okay, then I've got that bisector. CB bisects angle ACD. That was given. Then I'm going to get these little two chunks there. Angle ACB, ooh, I'm liking that, is congruent to angle, I could call it BCD. If angle bisector, then two congruent angles. All right, let's see if I can do my transitive. So I've got a repeated statement of ACB, so that's going to be my jumping point. So I could start here. I could hop to ACB, and from ACB I could hop to BCD, and I could end there. So I will be able to state that angle ABC is congruent to angle BCD by transitive. So let's just make sure I've got what I want. I've got this angle here congruent to this angle here, and those are indeed alternate interior angles. I'm good to go. AB is parallel to CD if alternate interior angles congruent, then parallel. So there you have it, yet another proof with parallel lines.